my dear students, welcome back in SAK Digital classes in data visualization PyPlot with PyPlot. In this video number 8, I'm going to talk about the bar charts and bar graphs. In the last video, I just told you how you will create multiple bars in a one graph, and is by calling the bar method multiple times. And in this we are facing the one problem. The bar is drawn in the just one upon one, means in an overlapping manner, so it's not easy to identify the which bar refer to the which items, or you can say for which head. Okay, so how we can find it? So this you can find with the help of the legend. So today we are going to discuss about the legend in bar graph. We are going to discuss about the how to change the width of the bar and how to change the color of the bar. So what is the legend? Legend is just given an idea about the bars which we are using in a graph. With the help of legend, you can easily identify the which color is used for the which purpose, and this is you can easily identify with the help of legend. So if you want to show the legend with your graph, you need to call the legend method with the help of the plot library. But there is a one thing that is you must have to mention, and that you must have to remember, if you are using the legend in your graph, then a level must be mentioned inside the bar function. A level must be mentioned inside the bar function if you want to use the legend properly in your graph. So look at this example. I'll show you. This is my import statement. Now I have created the subjects, and this is the same example which I did in previous earlier videos. I already shown you. So look at this. What is the difference is here? What are the differences is here? You can find it. I have using the one more argument here, and that is known as the level, and I'm just giving the name here. Why I'm written Amrit? You can write anything here, but this is the data of Amrit, so that's why I've written this name here, so that I can easily identify. And after that, we need to call the legend method. And with the help of legend method is always required one argument that tells us about the location of the legend. Where you want to put your legend. You want to put your legend in a beginning position of the left corner, right corner, bottom, right bottom, like this way. So you can decide the position. So I have decided the position 1 because I want to show the legend in this corner. Suppose this whole area is the my graph area. And further I call the level x level, y level, and at last what we have to do, we have to call the show method. Okay, so this way we can do this. Now you understand what is going on. So let's see in the examples of this code, output of this code. So what happens if you learn this code in this way? So look at this. It's showing that maths, science, and this all are the same color output I shown you previously. But one thing is important here. Now you can easily identify which color refer to which data. It is refer to, this color is refer to the Amrit, and this color is refer to the Tanmay, and this color is refer to the Sonu. So now it is at least something is easier here. You can identify. Sometimes it's happened the second data will overlap the first data. So for that we have to do something else. Instead of drawing the multiple bars on a overlapping manner, we can draw the multiple bars at different position, and they are not overlapping, they are in comparative manner. So I'll tell you about that also in a further video. So I finish the today's topic. So today's topic, the first I told you, I will tell you about the legend, that's I have discussed, but I'm going to show you with the help of the example. So let's move on my idly. So now look at this. This is my idly here, and now this time I'm going to use the legend. So what I have to do, I have to assign a level here. So I'm writing level A. Here I'm writing level B. I'm writing here level B. Okay, and here I'm writing PLT level C. Okay, and here I'm writing PLT level is equal to T. Okay, so I'm just giving the different level, and now I'm going to call PLT dot legend. Legend, I just call it without argument. Let I show you what happens if I call it without argument this function. Maybe I get an error message. No, I'm not getting the error message. It's showing the legend at their default position. It's showing the legend at their default position. This is the legend here. I want to put this legend somewhere else. So what I have to do, I have to call location is equal to, I'm writing 1 here, and now save and run this code. And whenever you run this code, you can find it, your legend and showing here. And now you can easily identify the which color for which data. Which color for which data. Suppose I'm writing here 2, and I want to check what happened. You can observe this, you can do this research with you can put the different types of the data. It's coming on that side only, so left and right. In this way, 0 and 1, you can change the position of legend here. Okay, so now you understand okay, how can you use the legend in your code and what is the advantage of legend. Now we are going to change the width of the bar. Actually what happened, you see that the width of the bar is sometime is actually calculated by the Python Panda matplot automatically. Means this matplot, this PyPlot is automatically calculate. Okay, so all bar is having the same width, and the what is the default width is this is the 0.8 units. So Python allows you can change the different width for all bars and different width for different bars. Means I want instead of 0.8, I want 0.4 for the all bars, so all bars of the same width. Suppose I want something different like this. This is 0.4, this is 0.8, this is 0.10 like this. I want something different color like this way, different size of this. So that is also possible. So how you can do this? First you understand the common width, means I want to specify the same width to everyone. So can be specified by using the width argument. For that we have to use the width argument, and we need to provide a scalar float value in a bar function. Okay, so let's understand how we can give the same height, same width to each and every. So look at this. This is the my subject, this is the Amrit, and now I'm calling this bar functions and calling the Amrit here, and I'm returning the width dot 0.3. So this is called the width. This is called the width. So this width is 0.3. I'm talking about this. Actually, this is called height, and height is depend upon the y-axis value. Height is depend upon the y-axis value, and width is depend upon the width argument and whatever value you have given. If you did not call this argument, if you not mention this argument in your plot dot bar function, in that case the high width of this you will see 0.8. Let's see it with the help of the example. So move it here and look at this. I'm going to just copy this code. I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to make it comment here. I'm not going to delete it. I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to just use the same file so that the record is here only. And now I save this, and I don't want this much information. This time I'm not going to plot the multiple bar here. I'm going to just plot only one bar here. You want a legend, you can keep your legend with your bar graph, no problem. But here I'm going to use, I'm not going to use anything. First, I'm not going to use anything. I'm just running the module, and look at this, the width. You can observe the width here. What is the width here and what is the width size is here. You can easily observe it. All are having the equal size, but all are having the 0.8 size. I suppose I'm going to increase the one more subject here, English, Hindi, science, and now I'm going to increase social science. Okay, and now I'll just tell you how this is adjusted by default. I'm writing a rectified, I'm running this module, and you can observe the what is the width is just adjusted. This is just adjusted automatically on the basis of the number of bars. Okay, if you are going to increase this again, suppose I'm writing one more subject, SKT. Okay, and now I'm going to put one more value here, 75, and I'm running this module. So you can observe the width is going to adjust automatically. It's going to adjust automatically. If you maximize it, you can find out the width is automatically adjusted. Okay, so but I don't want these features. I want something fixed value here. So what I have to do, I'm going to write here width is equal to 0.2. I am giving here one scalar value, width is equal to 0.2, and where I'm writing this value, I'm writing this value in a bar function, plot.bar method. I'm not writing this value somewhere else. I'm writing in here only. So look at this. Now I'm running this module, and what happened? Look, now I'm increasing the size, I'm maximizing, and you can find out okay, how the size is adjusted. 0.2 in a smaller screen, 0.2 in a bigger screen. So this way you can change the width of your graph with the help of the width argument inside the bar function. Now this is about the common width. As I told you, you can decide the different width for different bars. Suppose I want their width is this, I want their width is this, I want their width is this, I want their width is this. So how it is possible? This is also possible. So let's move and understand okay, how you can give the different width for different bars. I want to give, for that you have to provide the sequence values can be used to change the width of the each bar. But be careful while you are giving the sequence must be, the number of values in a sequence must be matched with the number of bars, must be matched in the number of bars, otherwise you will get in an error message, because length of the data sequence and the length of this sequence value must be matched, otherwise it will raise an error. Okay, so let's see example here. Okay, what I did here, these are our data, and now I have written here width, and now I'm giving the width value here. The first bar width is this, second width is this, third is this, and fourth is this, and accordingly you can observe the width of each bar is going to increase because it is in increasing order. So in that way it's giving you the output. Let's move on the my IDLE, and here I'm going to show, I'm going to just call the sequence here. I'm writing how many values I have given. I have given 6 values here: 0 0.2, 0 0.1, 0 0.3, 0. Just 0 0.6, 0 0.4, 0 0.3, and 0 0.8. So look, my sequence is over. So 6 values I have mentioned here, and I'm going to execute this code. After running this code, I'm going to execute it, and let us see okay, what happened, what output you are getting. This is the 0 0.2, 0 0.1, 0 0.6, 0 0.4, like this. So you can observe how you are getting the different outputs, different size of the different width of each bar. Okay, so let's move on this. Now we are going to change the color. How you can change the color of the bars? So changing of colors of bar is possible here, and then just like a width, the bar color you can also decide. You can decide a common bar color for each bar, and you can decide the different colors for different bars. So if you are deciding the same color, you need to specify the color argument with the bar function, and you have to provide only one color. By default you are getting this blue color is showing, all bars are showing the default blue color here, but you can decide something else like this. I have decided here color equal to red. So what happened, that each and every bars is the red color. Okay, nothing is different, only I am using the one more argument here. As in a previous slide I show you how to use the width with a single value with the sequence value. Now here I am showing how to use the color attributes, color argument with a single value or multiple value also I'll show you. So let's move on this Python, and now here I'm going to, and this is on my width here, and I'm just writing here colors is equal to, and I'm getting a small code and a shortcut code R for the red here, and I'm executing this. Oh, there is a one problem. I have written the colors. I know that I have made the mistake, and so we have to write here color, not colors. Okay, we have to write here color and run the module, and you will get the output. The all are in green color, red color. If you want something else color, you require to be changed. You require to be change your program. So here I'm going to write color is equal to green. So what happened in this case, I'm executing this code and I'm getting a green color bar here. Okay, so now you understand how to change the color of bar in a bar graph. This is for the same color, but at the same time if I'm telling you, yeah, someone else is telling you, no, I want different color for different bars. I want different colors for different bar. So how it is possible? This is possible with the help of the sequence of color values. You require to be passed the sequence of the color values as a sequence to the color argument. In that case, you will get the different colors for different bar. But the note point you must be remember this. The one thing, the number of values, number of colors must be matched with the sequence. And the second thing, it is always applied from left to right. The first color to the first bar, second color to the second bar, third color to the third bar. You can write RBG, and you can write red also, you can write blue also, you can write green also, you can write yellow also. So this is also possible, you can write it, but I have written in a short form. So look at this, there's 4 multicolors bar is here. Okay, and how it is possible? It is possible with the help of this argument. Color, I think this U will be not come. This is the wrong spelling here. So ignore this. It is color only. Okay. So let's move on the idly, and I'll show you. Now I'm going to, instead of color, I'm going to use here red. I'm going to break the line here so that you are able to view this. Now I'm writing here red. I'm giving the green in small code. I'm giving the yellow in full line, a full word I'm writing here. You can free to do. I'm writing C for cyan. So this color codes I have given, but this is the wrong. Why wrong? Because I have to give 3 different, I have 6 colors here. So red, green, yellow, and one I want black. Black, I'm writing here black. Okay, red, green, yellow, blue, black, and one I want blue. Okay, so I'm giving here blue. And let's I run the code. Now I'm given the correct numbers of color code here, and execute this, and I'm not getting error message. And look at this. So all are having the different colors. All are having the different colors here. So this way you can change the color of bars. Don't forget about legend here. Legend is showing the only one legend because I have given the one color. This is always checking the first color as a legend. Okay, because this legend is best. Legend is used for the multiple bars here. If you are going to change it, suppose you are going to change it, and instead of blue, black, yellow, cyan, I'm going to write something else, purple. Okay, and now I'm executing this. You can find out the color code, and you can find out this. Okay, so this way you can create multiple bars of different width as well as different colors. So I hope you understand this and this is beneficial for you. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.